had a crack nigga last year, nigga.
3 o'clock.
I do now.
I bet you do. You suck Penny dick to get a damn track in.
You suck Roddy's dick.
Gobble,
You suck Roddy's dick. You got Roddy
Oh, Lord.
in there, big sucking Roddy's dick. All I'm talking here, so who's going to
say? Who dick you know something got that information? Who dick you something got that information? Boy, you suck Penny dick, boy. You a corn drinker, boy. Your new name is corn drinker. Corn drinker.
Before y'all go, make sure y'all hit the share button, subscribe, make sure y'all have y'all notifications on. Hit that little like, dale me gusta.
Comparte la página.
Compare na. Yeah, make sure y'all do all that, man, for the Mexicans and everything, man. Make sure y'all tell everybody I'm gonna be back live tomorrow when the action comes. If you feel like donating or anything like that, I gotta always put my shout out in one time for the one time. It's 214-514-9545. That'll get you the Apple Pay, PayPal, Zelle. If you're looking for Cash App, it'll get you there too. But Lookout Racing is the Cash App. Put the money sign in front. That'll be it for tonight. Make sure y'all tell everybody.